Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation Hobby Shop. Okay, so I'm going to show you the High Kappa T-Rex. This is a unit of Sir Ruel. Shout out kay Sir Ruel of Aray at Pampanga, sir. Welcome to 5th generation Hobby Shop. This is your unit na po. So, i-review natin and i-chronograph natin, including the rapid testing. Okay, so this is your unit. This is the box. So, this is the High Kappa 2011. The High Kappa model, 2011 T-Rex. Okay, so this is the box and made in Taiwan, High Kappa. Okay, by WE. Okay, WE brand, High Kappa model 2011. Okay, so buksan na natin. This is the owner's manual. Ayan, you need to scan the QR code. Ayan. Okay, and it comes with the mounting plate for the red dot optic. So, tago nyo po ito. So, in the future, kung gusto nyo lagyan siya ng optic sight, magagamit nyo po ito. Okay? Red dot optic. And, of course, the High Kappa 2011. This is a semi-automatic version. Silver slide. Ayan. Okay, this is the 2011 High Kappa. Ayan, naka-fiber optic sight na siya. Ayan, fiber optic sight. Orange. And fiber optic sight sa front, green. Okay. Sa rear, orange. Ayan. Okay, serrations on rear, serrations on front with the accessory rail for flashlight. So, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng flashlight. If ever gusto nyo mag-avail, message lang sa amin. Pero sa ngayon, wala pa tayong stock ng flashlight. Meron tayong stock ng red dot sight. Okay, red dot sight, meron tayong stock dyan. And stipple grip. Stippling na yung grip niya. This is polymer grip. Then, naka-magwell na siya. Okay. Extended beaver tail safety. Ayan. Ang ganda niya. Okay. Ambidextrous manual safety. So, this is working also, no? The ambidextrous manual safety. Then, skeletonizing hammer is also with the trigger. Ayan. And threaded barrel na siya. As you can see, meron na siyang thread yung barrel niya. So, you can install tracer units, you can install suppressor, you can install silencer kasi meron na siyang thread. Okay, ayan. So, this is the magazine. 30 rounder capacity magazine. Ayan. So, much better kung hindi mo siya pupunuin para hindi masyadong compress yung spring. So, if this is 30 rounder, much better kung maglagay ka lang ng half. 15, 12, ganyan. Para hindi compress palagi yung spring. Okay? So, sabi muna natin siya. Yan. And meron kayong order, Sir Ruel, na this is the Saitak holster. Yan, Mega Fit holster. So, meaning, pwede siya kahit anong model. Pwede siyang 2011, pwede siyang 1911, pwede siyang Glock, pwedeng Beretta. So, fit siya sa lahat ng model. Okay, so ito. Try natin sa unit mo, sir. Yan. So, meron niyang lock. Meron siyang lock. So, hindi siya malalaglag. Meron siyang lock. Then, to withdraw, just press this one. Press this. Yan. Then, pag lock, yan, lalak siya. Then, press. Lock. Press. Withdraw. Press. Okay, so paddle holster siya. Belt. So, pwede siya sa belt. Pwede din siyang insert. Okay. So, ayan. Okay, ganda nyo. Ayan. Okay, that's the holster. This is Saitak brand. So, magandang klase talaga. Okay, and also, meron kayong order additional na SRC hard case. So, this is made in Taiwan also. Ayan, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ayan, made in Taiwan also. This one is made in Taiwan. Focus lang natin. Ayan, okay. So, magandang klaseng hard case talaga siya. Okay, so try natin. Tabi lang natin to. Ayan, so fit talaga yung high kappa T-Rex mo dito, sir. Mas maganda siya kung naka-hard case din. Ayan. Ayan. Saktong-sakto yung unit mo, sir. Fit na fit yung high kappa T-Rex mo dyan. Mas lalo siyang pupogi. Ayan. So, pag dala-dala mo siya, pag pupunta ka sa wargame, naka-hard case ka. Ayan. Wow. So, this is 850 sa gustong mag-avail po ng hard case. Message lang po sa aming page yung mga kumuha sa amin ng unit na wala pang hard case. So, meron tayong available guys. 850 only. Ayan. So, itatabi ko lang. Okay. Maraming kinuha si Sir Ruel eh. Okay. So, yung unit ni Sir Ruel, nag-request siya na 0.28. So, ito naman recommended sa unit niya kasi malakas ang T-Rex. So, 0.28 ang kasama sa unit niya. This is free. 0.28 grams, 3,000 shots. So, isang pack po ito. And yung gas naman niya ay free din. This is Pop Dino, number 12, standard power. So, free na po itong dalawa. And, free ang dalawa. And, meron siya additional na okay, dalawa pang green gas. Okay, dalawang green gas pa. So, ito sir, yung additional yung dalawang green gas. And yung additional nyo pa na 0.28 na dalawang pack. Okay, so bali yung marireceive nyo ay tatlong pack ng 28. Okay, tatlong pack ng 0.28 grams. And tatlong tangke ng green gas. Ayan. So, ayan yung ma-receive nyo. With the holster, with the hard case. Ayan. So, Sir Ruel, yan po yung mga ma-receive nyo. Okay, tatabi lang natin. Okay. So, saan ba yung hard case, sir? Okay. Para hindi magasgas yung unit. Okay. So, i-chronograph test natin yung unit po, sir, para malaman natin kung ilang EPS ito. Kung gaano kalakas yung unit mo. No? So, lalagyan lang natin siya ng BBs and gas. Okay? So, papakita ko lang din sa inyo kung paano maglagay ng gas tsaka BBs. So, wala tayong BB loader. So, mano-mano tayo. And, ganyan lang. Okay. Kaya nilagyan ko siya ng 8. Okay, 8 shots. And then, paglalagay ng gas, inverted position, ayan. And then, make sure naka-center yung the nozzle sa valve. Ayan. So, once center na siya, press. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, 3 seconds charge lang. Pagkakarga ng gas, inverted position, and then 3 segundo lang. Okay? Then, okay na yun. Okay, so ngayon, i-chronograph test natin. Okay, chronograph testing tayo. So, gumagana po pala ito yung manual safety and beaver tail. So, hindi natin na-check. Ngayon, check natin yung manual safety. No, ikakasa ko lang. Yan, and then, iaangat ko yung manual safety, fire safe. So, pag binaba mo ya, fire. Pag inangat mo siya, safe. Pag binaba mo, fire. Pag inangat, safe. Okay, so kailangan nakababa yung hammer o kailangan nakakasa. Okay, so check natin kung working. Ayan. So, hindi siya gumagana, hindi siya nakakalabit kasi naka-safe. So, pag binaba ko to, ready to fire na yan, no? Puputok na siya. Pero pag hindi to engage, kahit kalabitin ko siya, hindi rin siya gagana. Okay, so kailangan kasi naka-press to para gumana. Okay? So, chronograph test tayo. Okay, check natin kung ilang EPS to. Okay. Firing. Parachute. Okay, 354. Isa pa. 356. 353. 351. Okay, so nag-range siya ng 356, 350 to 356 EPS. Malakas siya. Okay, rapid testing tayo. Okay, rapid testing tayo. Unit of Sir Ruel of Arayat, Pampanga. Okay. Firing. Okay, open slide. So, just like sa mga tutong barrel, nag-open chamber siya kapag wala na siyang bala. Okay? Just release the magazine. Yan, release the magazine and then kailangan nyo itong alalayan yung slide stop, slide release para hindi agad siya mapudpod. So, ang gawin nyo, pull back. Then, pag nakagitna, down nyo itong slide stop, slide release and then release. Hammer down. Okay, Sir Ruel of Arayat, Pampanga, sir. If you have more questions regarding your unit, message lang sa aming page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.